Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this video you will learn how to install great browser safely to your Windows 10 or any computer. Now before I proceed, I would like to let you know what exactly Gate Browser is. Gate Browser is a new browser provided by Gate, which is a very lightest browser, uses very minimal resources of your computer, and it is also a private browser. So let's get started. So you just need to go to Google and make sure you watch the whole video, because you may end up downloading other softwares or resources consuming softwares while this. So you just need to open Google and type Gate Browser Softpedia download and click on enter, and just go to the first option of the results. Now here is a catch. You do not have to click here or anywhere. You just have to click free download from here. Now once you do it, you will get a different window, and you will also see Softpedia Secure Download US. You just need to click on this, and it has a size of only 63.5 MB size. So I just have clicked on it, and it has, very soon I'll get the startup. You see over here, it's getting downloaded. So once it will be getting downloaded, I'll let you know that how we can proceed. Or you can simply install. Make sure you uncheck any software apart from Gate. What happens now these days, when we install any application, specific application, let's say if I'm trying to download Google Chrome, so what these software website does, they also give you an option to download extra applications or software to your computer. So make sure you uncheck those and then click on next. In this manner you will have your desired application to be downloaded and installed. So if you think that the video is helpful for you, please do subscribe my channel. In this manner you will actually support me, and it will be great help for me. Thank you. You have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.